Hey guys, what's up? I'm Arthur and welcome to another super awesome episode of the Unboxing Tito. My channel provides unboxing, reviews, and actual gameplay clips ng lahat ng hottest games na available ngayon. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon para ma-notify ka each time I upload a new video. So after all that, let's proceed with the ultimate gaming phone showdown. So first, let's talk about the price. 32,000 pesos si Black Shark 3S at 32,000 din si Lenovo Legion Pro. So exactly the same price silang dalawa. At sa mga katanong sa inyo kung saan ko nakuha yung phones ko, I got both of these phones from Sandy, Philippines. So next, i-discuss natin yung physical build ng dalawa. Unahin natin yung weight. Okay, kuhanin natin. Mas mabigat ng 17 grams si Lenovo Legion kaysa kay Black Shark 3S. This is 222 grams, samantalang 239 naman si Lenovo Legion Pro. It may seem like a slight difference, pero mapifeel mo siya pag hawak mo na sila pareho. Although mas mabigat ng 17 grams si Legion Pro, mas manipis pa rin siya ng 5mm kaysa kay Black Shark 3S. And that is because this is a 6.67-inch panel, samantalang si Legion Pro is 6.65-inch lang. So next natin pag-usapan is yung back panel nila. Since both of them are gaming phones, signature feature na nila yung pagkakaroon ng RGB lighting. Pagdating sa overall feel ng phone, for me dito nakakalamang si Lenovo Legion. Meron kasi siyang all glass back, kaya very premium yung feel niya sa kamay. Si Black Shark kasi aluminum yung frame niya sa kalikod. Okay naman siya sa feel, pero nothing compares pa rin pag glass back yung phone mo. So ano sa tingin nyo? Alin sa dalawa yung mas pogi? Pagdating naman sa camera bump, lamang pa rin si Legion Pro kasi yung camera niya is flush within the phone. Meaning, pag nilapag ko siya sa table, hindi siya magwawabol. Unlike si Black Shark na medyo protruding kasi yung camera bump niya. Here, let me show you.
Oh, di ba? Solid siya unlike the Black Shark na wobbly kasi protruding yung cameras.
Pagdating sa display, dyan hindi magkapatalo si Black Shark 3S. Besides having the larger 6.67 panel, mas maliwanag din siya compared kay Legion Pro having 500 nits as maximum brightness. Pero pagdating sa refresh rate, hindi magkapatalo si Legion Pro. Meron siyang industry-leading 144Hz refresh rate. Sila palang dalawa ni ROG 3 ang meron yan. On the other hand, nagkaroon ng significant improvement si Black Shark 3S pagdating sa refresh rate. From 90Hz, meron siya ngayong 120 refresh rate. But sadly, hindi pa rin enough kung i-compare kay Legion Pro. So both of them have dual front-firing speakers. Typical na yan pagdating sa mga gaming phones. Pero yung pinagkaiba nila is yung location ng selfie camera. Si Black Shark kasi, yung selfie camera niya is at the top beside the speaker grill. Pero si Legion Pro, iba kasi yung approach niya. The phone is designed to be held in landscape. Kaya yung location ng selfie camera niya is a bit odd. Let me show you. In my opinion, as far as the build quality yung concerned, the Lenovo Legion Pro is the clear winner sa pagitan ng dalawang phones. Moving on with the benchmarks. Dito makikita yung laki ng lamang ni Legion Pro kay Black Shark 3S. Having the latest Snapdragon 865 Plus compared kay Black Shark na Snapdragon 865 pa rin. So to show you yung dominance ni 865 Plus versus kay 865, let's both run this phone sa mga benchmark tests.
So now we're showing the Geekbench score for the Lenovo Legion Pro and the Black Shark 3S. So sa Antutu benchmark test, makikita natin na over 50,000 points yung lamang ni Legion Pro versus kay Black Shark 3S. Yan yung isa sa mga advantage in having the Snapdragon 865 Plus as your main processor.
Sa benchmarks results, clearly nakita natin yung dominance ni Snapdragon 865 Plus versus kay Snapdragon 865. Sabi nga nila, numbers don't lie. At pagdating sa overall processing capability, the Lenovo Legion Pro takes a dominant win for this round. So now, let's move on with the software. Joy UI para kay Black Shark 3S and ZUI para naman kay Lenovo Legion Pro. And as far as the software is concerned, clearly dito malaki yung lamang ni Black Shark compared kay Legion Pro. I mean, yung software interface is far cleaner and far smoother compared kay ZUI. This is because of years ahead ng experience ni Black Shark Group compared sa newcomer sa gaming phone industry na si Legion Pro. Pagdating sa mga software updates, it's worth mentioning that Lenovo has a bad reputation. Unlike si Black Shark na regularly nag-update ng mga software nila. Pagdating sa software department, ang masasabi ko lang, experience has been the key for the Black Shark to set itself apart compared sa mga newcomers like the Lenovo Legion Pro. Now let's talk about the battery. Si Legion Pro, meron siyang 5,000 mAh battery versus kay Black Shark na 4,730 mAh battery lang. Pagdating sa charging, you get a very unique experience kay Lenovo Legion Pro. Yung 5,000 mAh battery na nabanggitan natin kanina is actually split into 2,500 mAh battery na pwede mong i-charge ng sabay. Yes, tama yung narinig nyo. Pwede nyo siyang i-charge ng sabay using yung dual charging functionality ng phone. So your charging time will be cut in half. Ang galing, di ba? So, para malaman natin kung sino nga ba sa dalawa yung mas mabilis mag-charge, let's both put them sa charging test. So, we'll see here the Blackshark 3S using the single cable setup, while yung Legion Pro is using the dual charging setup na unique na feature ng phone niya. So, after 15 minutes, the Lenovo Legion is at 58%, while the Blackshark 3S is at 60%. So, after 30 minutes, both phones are at 95%. The Blackshark 3S is the first phone to reach 100% after 35 minutes and 20 seconds. Finally, nag 100% si Legion Pro at 37 minutes 58 seconds.
So, in conclusion with the battery test na naran natin kanina, nakita natin na si Blackshark yung unang napuno between sa dalawang phones. But there are two factors worth mentioning. Number one would be that at one point, both of them are tied at 99%. Nauna lang napuno si Blackshark. Number 2 would be because mas malaki ng 270 mAh battery si Lenovo kaysa kay Blackshark 3S. Meaning, mas malaki yung battery capacity na pinupuno niya overall. So, pagdating sa battery capacity at charging speed, we will declare the Legion Pro as the winner. So, now let's talk about the cameras. Unahin natin si Blackshark 3S. We have a triple camera setup with 64MP main camera, 13MP ultra-wide, and 5MP for depth sensor. Si Legion Pro naman has a dual camera setup with 64MP main camera and 16MP for ultra-wide. Para makita natin yung difference nila, here are some camera samples.
Okay, so now we're recording using Lenovo Legion and Blackshark 3S. And pakita ko lang, we're outside. Pakita ko lang kung paano siya mag-perform yung camera niya outside. So far okay naman siya. Yung Lenovo Legion for me is slightly brighter, pero mas maganda yung depth na nakikita dun sa Blackshark 3S. Siguro dahil na rin sa triple camera setup niya na advantage over sa Lenovo Legion. So tingnan natin dito, nakita ko lang siya visually. Look dun sa clouds, parang yung detail nung sa Blackshark is mas nakikita yung detail ng clouds better than sa Legion. So, ipan ko lang siya konti para makita natin yung capabilities niya pag zoom sa mga objects. Okay, so now nasa loob tayo ng mall. Actually, the mall is closing na, so medyo lang ng tao. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting idea kung paano yung camera stability. I'm walking right now and I apologize for the audio kasi I'm wearing face mask right now. So tingnan natin yung stability. In comparison, mas stable itong sa Lenovo Legion, as obvious naman na makikita sa video. Ang issue ko about this is you have to hold the phone in a specific way para hindi matabingan yung camera module niya. So, yun lang yung parang parang downside. But, very obvious na yung stability niya is mas maganda o way better doon sa Blackshark. So, kitang-kita nyo, the mall is closing. And, actually, about 50% kasi din ng stores is closed. Okay. So, I hope you got a good idea about dun sa video capability ng phone.
Okay, so for the selfie camera, Lenovo has a 20MP pop-up camera that can record 4K at 30 FPS. Si Blackshark naman has the same 20MP selfie camera but can only record 1080p at 30 FPS. So para makita natin kung saan ako mas pogi sa dalawa, eto yung mga selfie samples natin. So after seeing all the samples, nakita natin na pagdating sa video, si Lenovo Legion yung mas nakakalamang pagdating sa resolution, stability, and overall video quality. Pero pagdating sa mga still shots, mas sharp and vibrant yung colors sa mga kuha ni Blackshark 3S. So for a person like me na mas madalas mag-take ng pictures kaysa video, we will give this round to the Blackshark 3S. So now we've come to the most exciting part ng comparison, yung gaming performance test. Okay, so we're playing Blackshark Mobile and I just wanna see yung temperature management ng dalawang phones. So let us check yung temperature. Nahin natin si Legion Pro. I'm going to use Antutu benchmark para patas. Hindi siya in-game na temperature test. So okay, right now it's at 37.7 degrees. So mamaya after 15 minutes, we will go back and check kung ano yung pagbabago ng temperature. Okay, so that's for Lenovo Legion Pro. Check naman natin ngayon si Black Shark 3S, yung temperature niya. Gamitin natin si Antutu. Okay, so currently it's at 36.4. So, i-freeze muna natin siya. And later, balikan natin para makita natin kung nagbago ba yung temperatures. Okay, so after an hour playing Black Desert Mobile in AFK grinding, let's check yung mga temperature ng dalawang phones. So, unahin natin si Legion Pro. Check natin sa Antutu benchmarks. Okay, so currently yung temperature niya is 38.7. Okay, so not bad. Next natin si Black Shark. Okay, for Black Shark, yung temperature niya is let's wait, 39.5 yung temperature ni Black Shark. So may konting lamang si Lenovo Legion Pro. Iba kasi talaga si Snapdragon 865 Plus pagdating sa temperature management. So, after putting both phones to the gaming test, mas naging apparent yung lamang ni Legion phone kay Black Shark 3S as a gaming phone. Having the higher refresh rate, air triggers, and better thermal management, the Legion Pro is the clear winner for this round. So, my final thoughts on the Legion Pro versus the Black Shark 3S gaming phone comparison. Both of these phones have the respective advantage over the other. Pagdating sa camera performance and software reliability, si Black Shark 3S is better compared kay Legion Pro. Pero pagdating sa design, build quality, benchmarks, and battery performance, most importantly, pagdating sa gaming features, malaki yung nilamang ni Lenovo Legion Pro. So in this head-to-head gaming phone battle, I choose the Lenovo Legion Pro over the Black Shark 3S as the winner. So anong phone yung mas gusto nyo? Let me know what you guys think and leave a comment down below. So that's the end of our video and I hope nagustuhan nyo. Thumbs is a plus, subs is a must. I'm the Unboxing Tito and I will see you next time.